Areas have been cleaned up. They will become even cleaner in times to come. So that is one. The golf courses have been put back to use. The Bakshi Stadium and the indoor stadium is ready for use. So if you look at any which way, everything is coming back to in their peak. So, and Srinagar city is cleaner than earlier. I hope most of you have seen that Srinagar is cleaner than earlier. I'm not saying it's absolutely clean, but definitely cleaner than earlier. So it's a very good sign that tourists are coming. All these facilities will make it even more, mesmerizing. Dal will have roughly about 250 lighted fountains, and wait to see that. Dal even today looks mesmerizing. It will look even more mesmerizing. A bit of this has come around Nishat. A group of 30 fountains. They have become very popular, and in times to come, when 250 more such fountains come up, the laser show has become popular, and the ferry has become, the cruise has become popular. So you'll see a lot of activity coming up. It's basically a tribute to people of Jammu and Kashmir who have been able to create the right kind of atmosphere for people to able to come here and go back happily.